The Radio Flyer 3-in-1 EZ Fold Wagon is the most versatile folding wagon for kids. This wagon can be used in 3 different ways. With an easy pull of the zipper, the wagon transforms into bench seating, no tools needed. It also offers comfortable seating for 2 children, or can be loaded up to haul everything you need on your adventure. This wagon folds easily with one hand, has a magnet to keep the handle up, and you can store it or take it anywhere. The Quiet Ride tires provide a smooth ride, and the padded seat backs add extra comfort. The EZ Fold Wagon also has DuraClean fabric that is easy to wipe off. There are 2 cup holders located on the front and convenient storage loops in the back. The Radio Flyer 3-in-1 EZ Fold Wagon, the most versatile folding wagon for kids.
So this thing is called EZ Fold, so I haven't folded it yet, so I'm going to go ahead and fold it. We're going to see how easy this thing is to fold. So it's just like a stroller with the pull handle fold. So you just grab this little strap in the middle, and yeah, that's it, guys. And then it's all folded up. And then if you're tall like me and you extend the handle, you just push that little button, and I can one-hand it even, and just the handle goes down.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.